Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, if you have been following me for any length of time, you would know that this girl right here loves her jalapenos. I love jalapenos, they are so delicious. So guys, today I'm bringing you an awesome recipe on how to make jalapeno poppers my way. So this recipe of jalapeno poppers is pretty much just jalapenos stuffed with sausages and cheese and then coated in this delicious batter and deep fried. It is not the healthiest option out there, but I'm telling you guys, it is so good. So if you want to learn how to make jalapeno poppers my way, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start by cooking my breakfast sausage. Guys, you don't need to add oil to the pan while you're cooking your sausage. Just add it to the pan. The fat from the meat is going to melt out to help to cook your sausage. So make sure you cook it until it's perfectly brown. That's when you know the meat has been cooked through and through. So now that my meat is cooked, I'm going to set this aside and go ahead with making the rest of my cheese filling. So today I'm using some cream cheese, some cheddar Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella, some garlic, some parsley, smoked paprika for color and taste. I have some rosemary in there and some black pepper. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. I'm telling you. But feel free to add any extra spice that you love. But this is the way I like it. I like to keep it simple. So now I did something really stupid. I tried to use a whisk to mix this up, and it was the worst decision ever. I'm telling you, it was so terrible. So now I'm gonna do the right thing and use a knife to try to scrape off this filling of my whisk, and then go ahead and do the right thing, which is to use a fork. Okay guys, use a fork to do this. Do not be like me and use a whisk. That was a very terrible decision I made. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a fork and whisk this up, but take your time here. Make sure you mix it really good so that all those cheeses mix together. Guys, it is best to use your cream cheese when it's at room temperature. That way it will be easy for you to mix. But I pretty much just took this out of the fridge, and that is why it is so hard and difficult to mix, but it's good. As when you keep mixing it, it will keep melting down, and then it's easier for you to just mix everything together. So once my cheese looks good and everything is all put together, I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat and stir it up to make sure every bit and piece of that sausage meat is coated with the cheese. Guys, I'm telling you, I love me some cheese. And I love sausages. So when you mix sausages and cheese, it's a match made in heaven, guys. It is a match made in heaven. So once this is ready, I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to show you guys what I did with my jalapenos. So guys, to save time, I already went ahead and seeded my jalapenos. So this is what it looked like. I cut it in half and I took out the seeds. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I used in breading it. So I have some all-purpose flour, some breadcrumbs, and my slurry, which is just flour and water. Then I have my filling right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt to my breading stuff and some paprika into the breadcrumbs, just because it's gonna give it some more color and some really nice smoky taste. So guys, I like to salt everything just to make sure that my flavors are really layered, because I don't want to have my batter tasteless. So the first step would be to scoop some of the filling into the jalapenos. Guys, this is pretty simple. Just put it, but try not to put too much filling, because if you do, then you're not gonna be able to close your jalapenos. So just watch and see what I'm doing. Yeah, so this is perfect right now. So now I'm gonna put the two halves of the jalapenos together to form one really nice jalapeno. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bread it. So I'm gonna start by dipping my jalapeno pepper into the slurry. And after the slurry, I'm going to put it into the flour, and I'm going to do this twice. But feel free to do it like 3 or 4 times if you wish, depending on how thick you want the coating to be. So into the slurry, into the flour, back into the slurry, back into the flour, or you can just go straight to the breadcrumbs. It's all up to you, okay? This is like a fail-proof method. It doesn't matter how many times you do it. It's going to stick together and it's going to come out tasting good. So it was slurry, flour, back to the slurry, back to the flour, and then some breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to show you a second way of doing it, which is from the slurry to the flour and then into the breadcrumbs. Just watch and see how I do it, guys. It is pretty simple. But while you're doing it, just try to shape it just so it has a really nice shape. If you don't care about appearance, it's fine, but I care about the way it looks, so I'm just gonna take my time to shape this just so it looks pretty, okay? Because I care about the way it looks. It's all about the optics, guys. But if you're making this for yourself to eat at home, trust me, you don't have to go through the stress of molding it to make it perfect. It doesn't matter how it looks, it's still gonna taste really good. But guys, I'm trying to make it look pretty for y'all, okay? So this is me making sure everything looks perfect. Then I'm gonna set it aside. Then just watch, guys, and see how I did it one more time. So just put the filling, put the halves together in the slurry and the flour, back in the slurry. Then this time around, I'm just gonna go straight into the breadcrumbs, and you see it really doesn't make a difference. So one more time, guys, just watch and learn. So as soon as I'm done breading all my jalapenos, I'm gonna let it rest for a couple minutes, and this is what it looks like. So now it's time to begin to fry these bad boys up. So I'm gonna fry 2 at a time because I don't want to make a mess. But guys, if you have a deep fryer, that would be so perfect. So fry this for about 5 minutes, just until it's golden brown, okay? I don't want to overcook it because I don't want my jalapenos to get too mushy. So I'm gonna show you again how I do it. So just drop it in the hot oil and let it fry until it is golden brown, just the way I like it. If you don't want it to be as brown as mine, then take it out earlier than I did. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna garnish it with some parsley, and guys, it tastes so good. I'm telling you, everyone in my house loved it. Just see, even my daughter loved it. Look at her. She's like, oh, this is so tasty, mommy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. This was a fun video to make because this is one of my favorite finger foods. Thank you for watching, guys. And guys, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be the perfect time to do it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.